Hey guys, today we're going to be going through how to answer direct variation questions in the HSC and trial papers. This is a common module between Math Advanced and Math Standard. Once you follow these steps and kind of see how these questions are set up in the same way, you'll be able to answer any question to do with inverse variation. So to go through how to answer these kind of questions, we're going to be going through question 13 from the Math Advanced CSSA trial paper of 2024. For question 13, we have, Trish is planning a function. We're told that the cost per person to attend the function varies inversely with the number of people attending. We're also told that the cost per person is $70 when 50 people attend, and we're trying to find the cost per person if 125 people attend the function. So straight away I can see that this is an inverse variation question because it uses the phrase varies inversely. As soon as you see this phrase, what you want to be writing down is the equation of y is equal to k on x, where k is your constant of variation and y and x are different variables that you can try to find. So y is equal to k on x means that y varies inversely with x, but instead here we're told that the cost varies inversely with the number of people attending. So I'm going to change my variables here. I'm going to let c equal to the cost of the function, and I'm going to let n equal to the number of people that attend the function. Therefore, since the cost varies directly with the number of people attending, I can rewrite my equation now as c is equal to k on n. Now, because I have a 3-variable equation here, I want to be able to solve for one variable, and I can use this kind of scenario that they've given us here to solve for k. So I have here that the cost per person is $70 when 50 people attend. So using my c and n values, we know that when c, my cost is equal to 70, that means that the number of people, or n, is going to equal to 50. So what you want to do is you want to plug this in back into your equation, and then you can solve for k. So we have 70 is going to equal to k on 50. And because k is on my numerator, I'm trying to solve for that, I can times both sides by my denominator to get rid of my fraction. So I get k is going to equal to 50 times 70. And therefore k is going to equal to 3,500. Okay, rewriting my equation now that I have the value of k, I'm going to get that c is going to equal to 3,500 over n. Now I've got my equation, I can start to answer the question now. So the question asks me, what is the cost per person if 125 people attend the function? So here we're solving for c when n is equal to 125, so the number of people at the function. Here, we can just substitute our n value into the equation that we just found. So we get c is going to equal to 3,500 over 125, dividing 3,500 by 125, and we get that the cost is going to equal to $28 per person. So that's how we answer question 13 from the CSSA trial paper. So super important here that you write down y is equal to k on x. You rewrite your equation in with the variables being used in the question. You set up your scenario that they've been told in the question to solve for k, and then you can manipulate your equation to find the variable that this question wants you to solve for. So hopefully that helps you to answer any inverse variation questions.